Welcome to our exclusive guide on unlocking the secrets to achieving Band 8 or higher in the IELTS exam. In this video, we'll share expert tips and strategies for scoring high, advanced vocabulary and grammar usage, and personalized advice to improve weak areas. Let's dive in. Scoring Band 8 or higher requires a strategic approach. Learn time management techniques to ensure you complete each section within the allotted time. Practice with authentic materials to familiarize yourself with the test format and question types. Utilize smart guessing strategies for multiple-choice questions to maximize your chances. Expand your vocabulary by learning high-level academic and formal words commonly used in the IELTS exam. Master complex grammatical structures such as conditional sentences, passive voice, and relative clauses to demonstrate advanced language proficiency. Incorporate idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs to add depth to your writing and speaking. Identify your weak areas by taking practice tests and seeking feedback from teachers or mentors. Develop a personalized study plan targeting these areas for improvement. Focus on strengthening your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills through targeted practice and continuous feedback. In addition to these strategies, here are some extra tips for success. Stay calm and focused during the exam, and don't panic if you encounter difficult questions. Manage your time effectively and prioritize questions based on difficulty. Lastly, believe in yourself and your abilities to achieve your desired score. By following expert tips and strategies, mastering advanced vocabulary and grammar usage, and receiving personalized advice for improvement, you'll be well on your way to achieving Band 8 or higher in the IELTS exam. Remember, consistent practice and focused preparation are key to success. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.